I've got just a partial drop left, and there's about a mile and a half south or so. There's just a little bit of smoke left on one I dropped earlier. See what's happening down there.